Gwuckles and J Bird.
We got in the mail today. We're going to be opening them all for you today. Just let us get them all out of the packs first. Now we have to open these. While J Bird are each going to go in here and take a mystery Shopkin out. So he goes first. Okay.
Okay,
Open it. Boop, 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 boop. I'll get it. You're terrible.
Well,
We got one.
We got a double.
We got a little brownie.
We got a
It's
double.
the first one. Brittany Brownie. I think we already have that one. So we'll set it right over here. Okay. My turn. Okay.
I got Wendy window box and ice cream cake.
Okay, my turn to pick. One. I got this one. Okay, do you see that, everybody? I'm going to open mine now. I hope it's a limited edition or something, because I don't have any of any season of any whatsoever.
And we have 80 of
Guys. No.
I knew it.
It's Sadie's soccer ball. I hoped it was a limited edition Fortune Stella. Okay, let's go in the next sad one.
What do you
Me
doing?
and J Bird have been going to karate lately, so that's why we have the shirts on. So we also opened all these little yellow packets. So now all the Shopkins are out. See? So we're gonna show you all of them and pull them out. The first one is this beautiful chair. And its name is, drumroll please, Woody Garden Chair.
Is in the sports section, and his name is Bessie Baseball.
Set it down so the camera can see. Okay, next one is, it's a cake. Here, I'll set it down while I find it. Linda Layer Kiss.
We got another Bessie Baseball.
It's yellow. It's a yellow one. I think that's a nice color for it.
Yeah.
And here, I'll put them all in a row. Oops, that one's rolling away.
We got another Bessie Baseball.
Man, how many Bessie baseballs were in there?
Yeah.
These Bessie baseballs are really cool.
They're
they feel weird. The next Shopkin is
next.
Boosh. Oh, look at this. It's like a fruit roll-up thingy. While I find it, and its friend, right here. And their names are...
But it must be in the bakery section.
Probably. It's a race.
Found it. It's jam roll. I mean jelly jam roll.
That was fast.
It's right here.
Okay. He kind of beat me at that, but I'm fine with that. Okay, okay Jack, next Shopkin.
Got a microphone, and here's his friend over here. I'll set it down so you can see. And while my dad gets a shot on it. Find it. Okay, that's in the music.
I should stop drinking this water. It's making me
It's called Mike
rock phone. No, rock phone. Oh, wait, it's microphone. His name is Microphone.
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 His last name is Raphone.
Microphone.
So
I get it.
we have 2 microphones. Well, the Bessie baseballs are rolling away. We got a donut charm. Look at that. Here, I'll set it down. What's his name? His name? I know this one. I saw it like 3,000 times. Delish Donuts. It's from
This cake.
Oh,
It must be in the bakery.
kitty cake. Kitty cake.
Royal cupcake.
Ooh. Sweet.
I put it right here.
I think there's no more. There is double. Whoa. It's a chocolate mousse.
It's not in the bakery.
I think it's in Sweet Treats. Its name
It's
is what? What?
Mandy Moose.
So we're gonna do a speed run of all these names.
This is Jen Jug. Bertha Bathtub. Mel T Moment. Snorky. Katie Skateboard. Cup of Cocoa. Plucky Guitar. Grace Baseball Bat. Polly Piano. Polly Piano. Birthday Brownie. Jane Frame. Kia Board. Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Hillary Harp. Lola Rollerblade. Mandy Moose. Cup of Cocoa.
Okay, so we got Snorky, Cupcake Chick, Walter Watering Can, Polly Teapot, Lola Rollerblade, Sadie Soccer Ball, Lynn Lamp, Fun Drum, Chalky Croissant, Max Saxophone, Dennis Bat, Veronica Vase, another Dennis Bat, Frida Fern, Ollie Orange Cake, Rockin' Chalk, and last but not least, Promi. So that's our video today.
Thanks for watching our video.
Leave a like, subscribe.
No dislikes.
No dislikes. We're trying to get 1 dislike at least. No, that's the maximum amount of dislikes that this video should get. Bye.
1. Bye.